Hello, give it a kiss. You a bat? No, what are you? Upside down penny. You right side up? Okay. You want to read one more time? Okay, let's read. My food. What's that?
Cereal.
Cereal. What's that?
Milk.
Milk. Yum. What's that?
Egg.
Egg. What's that?
Butter.
Pasta. Yes, very good. What's that?
Banana.
Banana. What's that?
Apple.
Apple.
What?
Wait. What's that?
Upside down.
We're not finished yet. Finish the book and we're upside down. What's that?
Upside down.
What's that? Come on, read the book.
Upside down.
You want to read a book upside down? Okay, what's that? Bread. What's that? What's this?
Onion.
Onion.
That's onion.
Stand up. Oh,
Onion.
onion. Okay, wait. Here's some more. What's that? Carrot. What's that?
Covered.
What's this?
Cookie.
What's this?
Cookie.
What are you saying?
Cookie.
Broccoli. Oh, broccoli. That's right. Onion. Yes.
Onion.
What's that?
Upside down.
Upside down. Will you read this first? What's this? What's that?
Okay.
Okay. What's this?
Upside down.
What's this?
Upside
Oh
down.
my goodness. Okay, what's this? What is it?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. That's not cupcake. Oh, what's this?
No.
No upside down.
Oh, okay, you want to bow? You want to bow? Remember how to bow? Stand up. Oh, and then bend over. Bow. Yay!
Yay!
Bow.
Bow. Oh!
That's like lowly bowing.